Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This short video will show you how to make our Instagram account to be a private like this account. I don't know how people why set their account as a private. Maybe they keep a secret of NASA, I mean the secret of Nuke, maybe the secret of World War II, World War Z, and so on and so on. I don't know. I don't understand why people is private their account, because this is our environment. The social media should be uh, uh, even if you private your account, the Facebook or the Instagram still can see your account. They still can deliver an ads that advertising you that suitable for your profile, and so on and so on. Okay, anyway, how to doing that is very simple. You just go to your profile, and then here I already opened my profile, and then go to the triple line on the upper, and then click settings, and then here you can find the privacy button. Tap on privacy, and then here you just turn on the private account. When turn on, it will pop up the switch to private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag, or mention you. Just click the switch to private, and then you can review a followers who follows you. Oh, okay. So I can see that people that follow me, but I don't follow them. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I will open to my account to public because I don't like the private account. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you. Bye.